everybody, Jay Klein, Photogtravels. I'm here at Bird Island Basin, also known as Padre Island Shore, which is a national park. As you know, with the government shutdown, there is limited, if no resources at all for the national parks. So there is nobody here collecting fees. There was nobody at the gate when I first got here to check to see if I had a national park pass, which I do. And there seems to be one ranger occasionally driving around to make sure everyone is being safe. There's even a windsurf lesson rental place here, and it's completely shut down. Yeah, it's kind of sad. So definitely seeing it on my end as far as the government shutdown. Everyone seems to be keeping the place clean. So as far as overflowing garbage or anything like that, I don't see that happening here anyway. Normally it's $16 a night, and from what I'm seeing, they're just not charging at all. There's not even an envelope to fill out or a box to put the envelope in. But it's a beautiful little campground. I guess you probably got 15, 16 different spots. I'll go ahead and flip the camera around. So in the distance there, you can see. I'll go back to normal video mode here. There we go. There's a whole bunch of RVers and some people camping. There's quite a bit off of the main road. Main service road runs along Padre Island Shore, which there is North and South Padre Island, so it's about, I don't know, I would guess 15, 16 miles long. So we're about 16 miles out of town. Way off in the distance there, you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Where is it? There it is, cell tower. So I've got like one bar from that cell tower. So if you want to make a call, I have to get on my moped or bicycle and ride out a little closer to the tower. And that's where the main road is, out by that tower. There's no fee. National parks are closed right now, so there's no fee. I had to stop the video there shortly because I had a conversation with a gentleman who's driving that truck with the pop-up camper. It was kind of interesting to hear his story, his side of how things work for him, as far as he doesn't consider himself an RV. And I said, you're an RV. You're just as much an RV as these giant, 30 square foot, or excuse me, 30 feet long, 36 feet long, 200 and whatever $1,000 RVs as anybody else, as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, this is the national park, and as you can see, let me zoom in for you. See those little round things at the end of each section? Those have our number on them, so that's where you know which campsite you are. So you're supposed to park right in front of them, but some of these people just parked wherever the freak they wanted. But that's okay. And off in the distance there, you can see Petey. I got a nice spot. And some people were here earlier, and then they left their chairs to say, "This is mine. Please don't park here." And that couple in the Winnebago right there, that a nice couple that's been parked next to me. They got a cool little rig. We talked about solar power and life, and I asked if I could do a video, a little on their story of their life. They were not interested in that. That's kind of what I'm facing a lot of times. People are just saying, yeah, I'd rather not be on your YouTube channel telling my story. So I understand. Some people want to stay anonymous. which is perfectly fine. I still enjoy hearing their stories and telling them mine. So again, a ranger was just here. When I showed up yesterday, he was here. So there is a ranger, but I'm sure during when the government's not in shutdown, I'm sure that there's more than one ranger covering this whole area. And there's it's a bird sanctuary, essentially. So there's a lot of unique birds here. I'm going to grab my zoom lens and take some photos. Maybe I'll add them onto this video so you can see what the birds are like out here. And again, you know, a whole bunch of different shapes and sizes and types of people that are in RVs. I don't know what all that sound is over there, but some people have unique antennas. You can see some people have solar, some people don't. This guy's got a nice tilt system for his solar, or hers, next to a really cool off-road vehicle. But I like the tilt system. I'm going to add that to my solar pretty soon. I mean, it's got to be nice to be able to just say, oh, the sun's over there. I think I'll grab some power from that. A little Sprinter van. That's actually similar to what my vehicle is built on. And here's one that's an RV with a roll-up door. I gotta love that. So obviously he stores his motorcycle in there, and that's kind of a neat way to do it. It's not quite stealth because you can see that it's an RV, but that's pretty cool. These guys have been running their, they're from Canada. They've been running their generator nonstop. So they obviously have no solar. And here I am. I got my 4 panels up there, but right now I'm not grabbing much. And there's Scoot. That's what I named my moped. And about the only smart thing I did was there's all these extra cones laying around, so I used a cone to kind of block off my my slide out. And here's the view I got when I woke up this morning, which was kind of pretty and peaceful. And there's a pretty dog.